Firefighters have rescued a 2-year-old boy in China who became stuck in a washing machine. The little one managed to get his legs stuck tightly in the basket of the spin dryer after climbing in to fetch his toy on Thursday. His parents carried the machine out of the house and called local firefighters for help. Crews rushed to the site and took the washer apart in order to free the boy as soon as possible. Several rescuers gradually cut the washer open, and after about half an hour, the boy was rescued. The 2-year-old was then sent to hospital, but luckily wasn't injured.